What's up, everybody? We often get asked which is our most selling product or the easiest product for the guy starting to modify their Super Duty. It's gonna have to be our Fabricated radius arm lift kit. This Fabricated radius arm lift kit is going to break down into different parts that we sell individually on the website, as well as the kit that we bundle together to save you guys some money and also not have to do things in pieces. The modularity of this kit is really what makes it simple and what allows you to create new looks for your Super Duty depending on what you're doing. We're going to start with the actual radius arm itself. This radius arm is going to be a single piece radius arm with stainless overlays on the outside and on the inside. You're going to notice this caster bolt, which replaces the OEM regular style bolt, similar to like what the Ram guys use. This is what allows this radius arm to work on 4.5 or on 10 inches worth of lift. The rear used to be a rock chuck joint, is now replaced with a PTFE Teflon coated spherical bearing. This is easy to assemble and it threads on with either a spanner, wrench, or your tool of choice. This is going to allow for basically no maintenance other than just re-greasing every certain so amount of miles. The rest of the kit is going to come with its springs, your track bar relocation bracket, which if you notice also has mirrored stainless on it, obviously a Pitman arm, and then depending on the different options that you get on the kit, you can spec it out with rear traction bars, which are going to come with Heim joints, not a polyurethane or bushing. The Heims are going to bolt onto your frame mounts on this. You're going to notice how beautifully welded every single component of this kit is. All of these parts are laser cut in our facility and then assembled in our facility and welded in our facility. You're going to notice even the brackets themselves also have stainless. Then you're going to have your lower mounts, which also feature laser cut 1/4 inch plate with everything welded in our facility. This kit does have the option of adding the steering stabilizer bracket, which is a simple 2-piece bracket that then will hug your tie rod and let you use any 10-inch travel shocks of your choice. This kit has a further option of adding frame plates. At this point, you can have a fully dressed and nice looking truck, whether you're at 4.5 or all the way to 10 inches. We even get more options for the taller guys. So if you have an 8-inch or a 10-inch lift, you're gonna then open the option for having a decorative rear truss or even a fabricated sway bar, which all flows with the same theme and with the same look of every single other component that we make. Something that we love to brag about here is the drivability on these kits. These kits drive amazing. The secret sauce in making these kits drive is obviously gonna have correct caster settings, having good joints and good bushings, and simplicity of install. You're gonna see the way we've worked through things, allowing this track bar bracket to now use the OEM 3-bolt flag nut studded piece that's in that cross member. You're gonna notice that the rear blocks have the correct dowel size hole and the correct dowel to sit in the OEM perch on the rear diff. Even the blocks have layovers. You know, these blocks already come prepped if you do an 8-inch or greater with threaded holes. So if you do upgrade to a decorative rear truss in the future, we can give you an even better rate on that without having to buy these again. The kits will come with U-bolts, all of the hardware required for assembly, the caster bolts in the bottom of these arms, springs of your choice. Depending on the height and your install, it'll also come with extended brake lines. If you choose to use the frame plate option, then we will walk you through how to tuck away the brake lines and the ABS sensors to give you that small scale show style truck look, which is what we're trying to offer for the guys that do daily their trucks. There's no need for you to have a 20-inch lifted monster looking SEMA style build when you can have a good useful truck for your everyday towing capabilities, your everyday driving, your everyday commute with all of this stainless and all of these colors. I mean, on this kit, you're gonna see that the customer chose this absolutely obnoxious purple with tons of flake on it, and you'll really see it pop with the stainless. These mirrored overlays are stainless, so this will never require any maintenance or upkeep or polishing like your OEM wheels or your aftermarket polished wheels. You're gonna notice that no matter what chemical you put on this stainless, the stainless will stay mirrored. The only inhibitants to that would be obviously striking it or hitting it with something, but even then, the stainless is a very, very tough material and it's very robust, and no matter if you live in a very salty area or somewhere by the coast, the stainless will not rust, pit, or oxidize in any way, shape, or form. So you can retain this look. The ease of install on this kit is another thing we love to brag about. The ease of install allows anybody to put this, whether you're a driveway truck builder or whether you're a shop, and putting these things together really is also a great way to add color if you already have a lift. So if you have a truck that's sitting anywhere between that 4.5 to 10-inch range, you can replace your OEM radius arm with a track bar, with a radius arm drop bracket, with this radius arm. If you then want to add traction bars, that's another kit we can do. And little by little, you can piece together your truck to give you this same look or add any of the accessories to it. Most of our customers actually start by buying a set of frame plates from us or a set of coil plates from us, and little by little end up converting their regular 4-inch or 6-inch lift that some guys even buy the trucks with to this kit over time. And honestly, that's gotta be the best way that we've been able to build such a big, strong community. And we'd love for you to now be a part of our community as well by rocking our products and all of the things that we're super happy and proud to give to you guys. So make sure to check out these products and anything else that you might be interested about on our YouTube. Make sure to leave any comments or questions below. If you have any other things or products that you think we should describe, make sure to leave that comment as a question below or DM us on any of our social media apps. If you check out our weekly uploads and our weekly videos of the trucks or the parts, if you leave a comment below, we're always selecting one of the people in the comments below for a $100 gift card to be used on our papisgarage.com website. So make sure to go on the website, send the website to everybody that you do know or that has a truck. And this is a great way, man. We really can't beat these type of products, and we absolutely are super happy to have you guys on board, not only seeing the products but also even getting them for your trucks. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see these products on this Super Duty.